Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to show your online status to everyone in Telegram. If you want to make your online presence visible to all, this guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your device. Ensure you have the latest version installed to access all features and enjoy optimal performance. Step 2. On the app's interface, locate the 3 stacked lines icon in the top left corner. Tap on it to reveal the menu options. Step 3. From the menu, select Settings. Scroll down until you find the Privacy and Security option. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Within the Privacy and Security section, continue scrolling down until you reach the Privacy settings. Step 5. Tap on Online Status and Last Seen to access the options related to your online status visibility. Step 6. Among the available options, tap on Everyone. This allows your online status to be visible to all Telegram users. By following these simple steps, you can make your online status visible to everyone, allowing others to see when you are online on Telegram. Remember, it's important to review your privacy settings periodically and adjust them according to your preferences to ensure a secure and personalized Telegram experience. We hope this comprehensive guide has been helpful in showing you how to display your online status to everyone on Telegram. If you found this video informative, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your support. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Enjoy connecting with a wider audience and showcasing your online presence on Telegram.